What's poppin'? It's Tito. Welcome back to another video. So the markets have been complete batshit crazy, like in the past 2 weeks. Like we have Fed pumps, we have people panic selling, we have everything. People are like, the virus is getting worse, so I need to take my money out right now. So that's why we have the red days and then the artificial green days. The pumps come from the federal government putting money into the stock market. So like they buy stocks, or they'll just straight up pump trillions of dollars into the market, causing inflation. But like they're trying to save the market as best they can, but you can't really like save the market when everybody's still panicking and more people are dying from the virus. But so I'm going to be talking about the biggest mistakes to avoid when you trade options, especially in this time period, but also just in general. So number one, do not trade weeklies unless you're pretty sure what the stock is doing. Now, weeklies means options that expire in the same week. So that means if you buy, say it's March 24th, a weekly would be March 27th option. That means it expires on Friday. You bought it on Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. So that would be trading a weekly. And then once you trade a weekly, that means your premium either goes very up or very down. So if the stock goes down and you bought a call, you're fried, because you're trading a weekly and it's very affected by whatever the stock does. That's why I would say, like, at least give yourself a week and a half out. So if you if it's March 24th, I would say buy the next option after the Friday that it's supposed to expire. So that would be like April 3rd. So if you don't trade weeklies, you don't have to worry about the contract expiring and completely frying your portfolio. Number two is don't panic sell. Literally, every time I see a person panic sell, it makes me cringe so hard, because like, unless you're trading a weekly, there's no need to panic sell. Like, literally, panic selling is just giving the stock market your money. You're going to be down. Like, there's going to be red. Like, you're going to be down at a certain point. All you have to do is hold through it. Just stop trading with emotion, because emotion will fry you in the stock market. If you want to have personal 24/7 support from me, join my one-time fee profit chat and support chat. I send plays every day, and I talk to you about options, teach you how to trade them, and help you become the best options trader you can be. It's a one-time fee of $50, and it's on Telegram, or if I move it again, but it's a chat with me and a bunch of other people, and it has anywhere from beginners to people who are more intermediate on the options trading spectrum. So I will help you become the best options trader you can be. If you want to join my chat, it's $50 one-time fee. Then go down in the description down below and check out my Instagram. DM me on Instagram, and I will put you in the chat. And I accept any payment option for the fee, and it's just for me sharing the knowledge. I didn't want to make it too expensive, or some like scammy course that will charge you like $300 and like never teach you about options. It's really like a family. We all like help each other get better at options trading. But back to panic selling, it's literally the worst thing you can do, because your option will eventually be up, because literally the way the stock market is right now, you can play both sides. So you can play red or green. You can wait for a Fed pump or a rally, which means when the stock shoots up. That happened on Thursday. There was a huge rally. Everything was green. Then on Friday, there was a huge sell-off. So really, it's like both calls and puts will be profitable if you just wait and don't trade weeklies. Number three is watch the bid-ask spread. So when you're going to sell an option, you want to be closer to the bid, because it's like buying on eBay. Like, the bidder wants the lowest price. So when you go on bid ask, it'll be like two numbers. So it'll be green and it'll say two numbers. You click on it and it'll show you the implied volatility. If the implied volatility is crazy, or the bid ask spread is crazy, like it'll be like 0.01 and 1.6 between the bid ask, don't trade it. You want to make sure the bid and the ask are close to each other. So if the bid ask are not close to each other or has a really wide bid ask spread, do not trade that company, because when you go to sell your option, you have to be closer to the bid, so you just lose all the profit that you made. All the profit that is showing you will just be unrealized profit, because when you actually go to sell it, you will not be able to sell it. Number 4, this is not really something to avoid, but it's something to do. Do not buy an option on a spike or on a drop if you're trying to buy a put. If you're trying to buy a call, do not buy it on a spike, because then the option is worth a lot more and you're just paying more for it. So when it drops, or if it drops, you're just losing all the profit. You're not making any profit. So if you buy it on the spike, you always want to buy the opposite direction. So if you buy a call on a drop, that means the call option is worth way less. So you buy it at a way less price than if you bought a call when it was going up. So if you buy a put at a lower price, or when it's going up, that means you bought it at a lower price. So now when it goes the opposite direction that you predicted, you get way more profit. So yeah, those are just a few tips and things to avoid when you trade options. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, let me know if you want to see like me daily vlogging, or every 2 days, every 3 days vlog my life. I'm working on maybe doing some purchases at the end of the year, like a rental property or a car. So let me know if you guys want to see vlogs of me buying that or something like that, or just me doing my daily life, buying clothes and stuff, because this lockdown, really all I do is like go to the Goodwill and like thrift and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see like videos on that, or if you just want to see options, I don't know, let me know. Vote in the poll in the corner. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun. Don't blow your account. I'll see you guys later. Peace.